Good morning, student. Student, today we will revise the topic height and distance. Student, these are the questions from the sample paper Sivdas. Question is, a ladder leaning against a wall make an angle 60 degree with the horizontal. There is a ladder leaning with the wall making angle 60 degree with the horizontal. This angle is 60 degree. If the foot of the ladder is 2.5 meter away from the wall, so this distance is 2.5 meter. Find the length of the ladder. Let L is the length of the ladder. This is the ladder. L is the length of ladder and this is the ladder. Like that. Then there is a trigonometrical ratio cos 60 degree equal to base upon hypotenuse. Base upon hypotenuse. Student, here base is 2.5 and hypotenuse is the length of ladder. Cos 60 is 1 by 2. Therefore, L equal to 2 into 2.5. Just cross multiply and we will get the length of ladder. It is 5 meter. Student, next is, here one figure is given. That is the point A, it is B, C, and that is D. AB is 6 meter and AD 2.54 meter. It is AD and this angle is 60 degree. So in the figure, AB is 6 meter, high pole, CD is the ladder inclined at angle 60 degree to the horizontal and reach up to a point D of the pole. If AD is 2.54 meter, find the length of the ladder. So, student, we will find BD. This question number 2. Here BD equal to 6 minus 2.54. So it is 6, 4.3, 3.46. It is BD. Now, to find the length of ladder, let DC is the ladder and we will take the sine. Sine 60 degree equal to perpendicular BD upon hypotenuse DC. The value of sine 60 is root 3 by 2. Here BD 3.46. DC that you have to find. Sin theta is perpendicular upon hypotenuse. Now DC equal to 2 into 3.46 upon root 3, it is 1.73. Then it's just twice. So the length of the ladder, which is L. DC is L. So length of ladder L is 4 meter. Length of the ladder is 4 meter. Now, student, next is question 3. The top the tops of two towers of height x and y standing on level ground. So there are two towers, their height x and y. The tops of two towers of height x and y standing on the level ground, subtending angles of 30 degree and 60 degree respectively at the center of the line joining their feet. So let us join their feet. They make the angle 30 degree of height x. This is 60 degree. Find then x is to find x is to y. This we have to find. So that is at the center. Student, this point is the center. It is the midpoint. It is AB. It is CD. Here are that is 60 degree. It is like the midpoint. It is C and D. We have to find the ratio of x and y. So student, this distance, let it is A. So this distance also will be A because M is the midpoint. Student, to find this ratio, it is better we will take the 10. Tan 30 degree equal to AB upon BM. AB is x and BM is A. Tan 30 is 1 upon root 3. So it is x upon A. From this we will get the value of x. X is A upon root 3. Similarly, we will find tan 60. It is y upon A or CD upon MD. It is y upon A. It is root 3 is y upon A. From this we will get y. It is A root 3. Now x upon y equal to A upon root 3 divided by A root 3. Here A upon, it is root 3 into A root 3. A cancel out, 1 upon root 3 into root 3 3. So x is to y equal to 1 is to 3. This is the required ratio. Now, student, next question number 4. The angle of depression of two shapes from the top of lighthouse and on the same side of it are found to be 45 degree and 30 degree. If the shapes are 200 meter apart, find the height of the lighthouse. Student, let us suppose there is a lighthouse. There are two ships, they are on the same side. Their angle of depression is 45 degree and 30 degree. Let A and B are two ships. This angle is 45 degree. This is 30 degree is given. Student, let it is CD. It is H, height of the lighthouse. This is 200 meter apart. Find the height of the lighthouse. So you have to find the value of h. Student, let this value is x. Since this angle, these two lines are parallel, then AC is a transversal and this angle is 45 degree. These are alternate angles. Similarly, this is also 30 degree. Here BC is the transversal. Now, tan 45 equal to CD upon AD. It is H upon X. 45 is 1. So H equal to X. Equation 1. Now, tan 30 degree. Here we are discussing the triangle ACD. And here triangle BCD. So tan 30 is perpendicular CD, base is BD, it is 1 upon root 3, CD is H and BD is 200 plus X. Since X equal to H, we have to find H. So cross multiply, it is 200 plus H equal to root 3 H. Since X equal to H. 200 equal to root 3 minus 1 into H. Then H equal to 200 upon root 3 minus 1. It becomes 200 root 3 plus 1 and this becomes 2. After rationalizing, there is a 3 minus 1 which is 2. Now it is 100. So it is 100. Root 3 is 1.73. 2 plus 1. It is 100 into 2.73. So answer will be 273 meter. Height of the pole is 273 meter.